bought six soap dispensers. Fresh Breeze Soft Soap. I was just trying to show you how you open it, just in case people don't know. I know people already know. It's a good product. I love it. I like buying bundles, so I don't have to buy a lot at one time. Save me money. So I'm gonna set the camera down so y'all open it. I take it like this. I twist it. There you go.
Hello, I'm reviewing our hand soap. We actually use the Softsoap brand. We use the Fresh Breeze scent. This hand soap is gentle and soft and washes away bacteria. We've been using the Softsoap for years. We have one in our kitchen and in our bathroom.